Hi everyone, welcome back to the web development series by JDCodebase. Today we are going to talking about something that makes your HTML cleaner and much more meaningful. This is a semantic HTML. You might have heard this term many times, but today you will understand what it actually means and how to use it properly. So here what we are going to cover today, we will start with the what semantic HTML actually is and why these tags are important, and then we will go through the most commonly used semantic tags. Once we finish that, we will jump into VS Code and build a small structure using all the tags we learn. So by the end everything will make sense to you. So semantic HTML basically means using tags that explain their own purpose. Like instead of putting everything inside the div tag, we try to use meaningful tag like header, navbar, nav, and main tag, section tag, article tag, and so on. So these tags makes your code much easier to understand, not just for you but also for browser, search engines, and screen readers. So now why should you care? Well, semantic tags keeps your code clean. Google also love pages that are structured properly. So it actually helps in SEO. And if someone is using a screen reader, it becomes much easier for them to navigate your page. And plus, when you come back to your project after a few months, and you can understand your own code without getting confused. So first, we have the header tag. This sits at the top of your page on your website. It usually has your logo, the website title, maybe some navigation like home, about, contact us, and you can have multiple headers, like one for the whole page and another inside a section. So next is the nav tag. This is your navigation menu. So all your important links like home, about, contacts, those usually go inside this nav tag. Screen reader also known that this nav contains navigation links, so accessibility becomes better. Now then we have the main tag. This is where the main content of your page goes. You only use one main tag per page because it represents the main section of your website. And now section is the used to group related content. Think of your website like a book. Each chapter is a section, and every section should ideally have a heading and some related content. And article is a little different from this section. It is used for content that can stand on its own. For example, a blog post, card, a review, and if you take it out of the page, it still makes sense. And then we have aside. This is for extra content, something that's for the main content, but it not directly part of it, like a sidebar, related links, and ads or small notes. Like here, you in the like here, and this left or side a sidebar. Next is the footer, and footer stay at the bottom of your page. It usually contains copyright info, contact details, and extra links. So let's move to VS Code and put everything together and see how all these tags work in a real code. So first, add the header. And in this first write h1 tag my website, and a paragraph tag which is welcome to my semantic HTML demo. And if I see here, see my website, welcome to my semantic HTML demo. Then next we will add the navigation bar by using this nav tag, and here we have to add the link, and by using this href, I just add the hashtag home and about, contact. Then we have it's time the main content of the website. So main tag, and inside the main I will put a section first, section, And in this section, heading is h2, about this website, and a paragraph tag, this website is just a demo to understand semantic HTML. And now I will add an article also in this main tag, but outside this section, article, and in this also heading is to latest article, and also a paragraph, this is some article, content that can stand on its own. And next I will add a side, like a sidebar, left side or right side, and now the heading is the h3, suits here, related links, and a list, another list, li, and in this anchor tag is semantic HTML guide. Then a new li, it also take this again anchor tag, and accessibility tips. Now let's close this main tag, and finally we add the footer. After that, this main, just add this footer, and in this footer we write the copyright 2025 JDCodebase. So let's see in the, like here, this is the header. Now after that, navigation bar, then this is the main content of this website, and this is the section of this website, and this is article, and this is for the sidebar. Basically this here I'm not at the CSS, that's why it's look like a basic row website. So this was the basic structure using the semantic tag we learned so far. Now let's look at the few more semantic tags. Figure is used when you want to display an image or a diagram with a description, and a fig caption is the caption for your figure. This stay inside the figure tag. It is similar to the table caption. And the address tag is used to show contact details, email, phone, physical address, etc. And the time tag is used for date and times. It also helps search engine to understand exact times. So let me quickly show you this in the code as well. So inside the main tag, like in this, and we will add let's add a figure, and in the figure img tag, source is accessed, and this car image, and alt is car image, and a fig caption also, fig caption. This is a sample car image. So let's look at it. So if you see, this is a simple car image. And now inside the footer, I will add the address. In the address, use address and email, contact @JDCodebase.com, and phone number also, this 98764 just random one. And finally the time tag. The time tag is outside the footer. Paragraph tag published on, now time tag, date is the 2025 11th month and the 12/02 and 02 December 2025. Now let's see. So if you see, this address is now italic by default. I'm not just write any kind of here italic or emphasize tag. Just use a simple, and address automatically converts into the italic, and this is the time tag. So this is simple and example of how a web page layout looks when you use semantic tags properly. And a quick tip is to try to use semantic tags whenever possible instead of divs. Use heading properly and keep your structure logically. And that is everything we learned today. Semantic tag make your web page meaningful, clean, and easy to understand. Now, thanks for watching. As always, the PPT and code files are available in the description, and like and share and to JDCodebase. I will see you in the next video.